Good morning, students of class 6. In previous classes, I have discussed about the triangles and types of triangles. Today, I am going to discuss about the quadrilaterals. What is quadrilaterals? This one. Quadrilaterals. A boundary. A boundary. A boundary. A boundary which is closed by four line segment, line segment, line segments. Now, see this one, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, and D. Here, I am taking this is 3 cm, this is 5 cm, this one is 5 cm, and this may be 4 cm. So this is, what is this? 4 side AB. So now sides, I am writing sides. How many sides is there? Sides AB. AB you can write it BA, same thing. BC you can write it BC, CB, DC you can write it CD, and AD, that is you can write it D. How many sides is there? So 4 sides is there. How many sides is there? 4 sides is there. In this diagram, see this one. I have taken this is the length 5 cm, 3 cm, 5 cm, and this one is 4 cm. Please listen. Boundary closed by 4 sides. Now angles. Angles what you write? Angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D. Clear? How many angle is there? 4 angle is there. Now my dear student, what you will do? Side is clear. So now side is clear, and the sum of 4 angles, the sum of 4 angle of 4 angle in a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Okay. Now I am talking about this one can be written as angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is equal to 360. Clear? Now I am talking about diagonals. See this one, diagonals. Diagonals, here are 2 diagonals. AC, it divides into 2 triangles. So AC diagonals, AC, and from the B to D, what say to BD. These are called diagonals. Means the diagonals divides a quadrilateral into 2 parts. See this one. Quadrilaterals means 4. A-O-U-R. How many alphabet is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many sides is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this one. This is very peculiar. Quadrilateral when I am telling 4 sides. 4 alphabet is there. None of this one you will see in any diagram like this one. So 4 is very peculiar. Quadrilateral means 4. It is clear? Now I am coming on the basic types of quadrilateral. Listen. types of a quadrilateral. Please, first, before going to start, I am going to write trapezium. Okay. Second, parallelogram. Third, rhombus. Fourth, rectangle. Fifth, a square. And sixth, kite. Please listen. In diagram only I am showing you trapezium. In this one pair of the sides are parallel. A, B, C, D is a trapezium. In which one? Sorry. A, B, C and D. The AB parallel to CD, but not equal. AB parallel to CD, and the diagonal of A trapezium divides this is AC and BD diagonal, so they are perpendicular to each other. This one is perpendicular and each other, and bisect also. It means in this one, it is clear, means the diagonal AC and BD perpendicular and bisector, both it is called trapezium. Parallelogram. What is parallelogram? So in this one, one pair of sides are parallel. Parallelogram. This one. ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram in which AB parallel to BC, AB parallel to CD, AD is equal to BC, AB is equal to CD. Means in parallelogram, one side, both this is equal also. One pair of the sides parallel and equal, it is called parallelogram. Rhombus. Please listen. In rhombus, what is there? In rhombus, what you can say? Rhombus having 4 equal sides. This one, it is a parallelogram. It is a parallelogram. ABCD is a rhombus in which all the sides are equal, having 4 equal sides. It is clear? Having 4 equal sides, so then what it is called? Rhombus. And the diagonal of a rhombus also perpendicular bisector. The perpendicular bisector. Clear? Rhombus is clear. Rectangle. Rectangle is a parallelogram in which A, B, C and D is there. It is a having all the angles 90 degree. It is a parallelogram in which AD is equal to BC. AD and AB is equal to DC, angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C is equal to angle D is equal to 90 degree. Means all the angles are equal and two sides are parallel and equal. Then it is called rectangle. Clear? Now a square. A square having four equal sides. It is a parallelogram in which all sides are equal. See this one, a square I am making. In this one, ABCD is a square. Okay. In this one, AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. Here length and breadth both is equal. And all the angles are 90 degrees. All the angles are 90 degrees. So diagonals is perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector. Diagonals is perpendicular making 90 degree and these sides are also equal. Diagonals bisect each other. Now kite. What is a kite? See this one? In this one, adjacent sides are equal. A, B and C. So adjacent side, four equal sides. It is also a type of. And what is there? So this is called diagonal A to B and B to C. Okay. Now this one also perpendicular bisector. This is also perpendicular bisector. It means a kite in this one AB is equal to AC. This AB is equal to AC and BD is equal to DC or CD. And the diagonal is perpendicular bisector. Clear? AC and DC is perpendicular bisector. It is clear? Understood? Now, my dear student, I am going to stop now video. Please first learn the definition what I have given in video and try to solve exercise 14.6. If there is problem, please contact me. Thank you.